is good, YouTube? I am back with another video. Today, I don't even know what to call today's video because it's another POV. I'm finna go get my banner redone, and then tonight we'll probably go out to a car meet. So I'll give y'all a POV on my way back home with the new banner. I'll show y'all, and then yeah, bro, got the tire fixed. Well, got the new tire put on, the used new tire put on, so I can drive actually, but definitely need new tires. But yeah, bro, thank y'all so much. Like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the video. Mickey Thompson. Damn, she dirty. Middle. Yeah. It's the good side though. Yeah, it's that in front of it, that damn door. So we got black 3M, black reflectors. I will record the POV, but it's literally stop and go traffic, bro. Like, I don't know what's going on. So, I guess I'll give y'all the POV tonight. Yeah. Over $50. Like it only take $50. Right now, I'm finna go meet up with some of the guys, and then we're gonna figure out what we're doing from there. But yeah, bro. So it started raining. We was here for about probably about like an hour maybe, and then yeah, bro, it started raining. So I'm finna go to the crib until tomorrow. We got a little toy drive going on, or a little clothing drive, so that should be interesting. That should be a good video. Love the kids, and yeah, bro, thank y'all so much. Like, comment, subscribe.